Hello guys, welcome to my video. It is I've had a couple of glasses of wine. Anyway, moving on. If you are into fashion and makeup content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it if you could join my little YouTube family. I'm really struggling to talk right now, so if I'm slurring, I'm ever so sorry. I submitted my diploma assignment, my final assignment yesterday. I just decided to have a couple of celebratory glasses of wine, but obviously, I mean, the tolerance is low. So, I have news, I have gossip. So on Wednesday, so it's currently Monday evening. On Wednesday, I have a date. Because he's planning it. I'm not even sure whether we are going to like a pub or whether he's doing like a picnic kind of vibe. But either way, I want to look bomb. It's Monday, the date is on Wednesday, but I am working tomorrow afternoon until Wednesday morning. We haven't got that much time, okay? So we've got a lot to get done. As you can see, I have actually got two face masks on. I mixed them. So I have the Face Theory Pink Clay AHA face mask. I do have a code for Face Theory if you haven't seen my last video. It is BB Lizzy caps on all their skincare bits. And then I've mixed it with the Philosophy Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor face mask as well. So these are on my face right now. I think I'm just gonna kind of leave this on a little bit longer before I do my skincare. I'm gonna go ahead and have a shower tomorrow, maybe do a hair mask. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm back. It's the same evening. As you can probably tell, I don't know why I felt the need to specify that. But I thought this would be a perfect time to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna dye my eyebrows. I have here the Eyelaw Dye Brow Dye Kit. The reason I don't want to do it tomorrow, the day before the date, is because it just looks too intense and I want it to have a little bit of time to die down a little bit before I go looking like I have slugs on my face. I literally only leave them on for a few minutes because I'm normally quite scared that they're just going to turn out really, drop something, like blocky. I try my very best. What? Oh my god, the spoolie came out of the stick. Moving on, let's hope that doesn't happen again. I always try to avoid touching my skin when it comes to doing this. I always try my very best just to do it super lightly so that only the hairs get coated. Okay, so that is all on. I am not going to be leaving it on for very long because I'm absolutely terrified of the results. I'm just going to eat my yogurt, watch some New Girl, and I will get back to you in the morning and I hopefully won't look like a crazy eyebrow woman. Okay, so it's the next day. I've just had a shower. As you can probably tell, I'm looking a little bit crazy to say the least. So in the shower I used a purple shampoo, a toning shampoo, which I haven't done for a very, very long time, but I just kind of wanted to make my hair a little bit more silvery than, I mean, by the looks of it, it didn't really work, but we're gonna move on. And then I shaved my entire body. I'm feeling like a baby dolphin. And now I'm just popping in my hair. It's called the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Literally just makes my hair feel really nourished. And I'm just gonna use a wide tooth comb. My brows actually didn't turn out that crazy. There's actually a wasp in my room, so if you see me frantically dart out of my room, that is why. That is actually a really big wasp. Okay, if I can open that window, that's absolutely huge. I mean, it looks tiny on camera. Ooh. Right. I have a water gun. Oh my god, it's absolutely huge. Okay. Oh, if I close the curtains, I can kind of trap it. Hope that it just finds its way out. Okay, so I hope this shot is okay. So I have here the Sanctuary Spa Covent Garden body butter. So I'm just going to dip into some of that. This is all in preparation for tanning. So I'm actually like a huge rookie. Like, I'm such a rookie when it comes to tanning. I don't do it very often. So I'm not actually going to like use a proper tan. I'm just going to use kind of like a tinted moisturizer, I guess. Just a gradual tanning moisturizer. I'm just going to let that sink in for a little bit. I'm going to do my skincare and then I'm going to wash this hair mask out my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my tan. I'm not going to bother showing you because it's literally just going to be doing exactly what I just did, and who wants to watch that twice? So this is the Dove Summer Glow Nourishing Lotion with a subtle gradual self tanner. I just prefer this to normal tans. It doesn't quite smell as much, but I will go ahead and wash it off tomorrow because it does have that little bit of a tanny smell. I'm going to make sure to wash my hands afterwards because that is a mistake I do not want to make. And that was quite cool. Yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I've popped on a loose fitting t-shirt and some like nice flowy pants that aren't going to cling to anything. I need to get a wriggle on because I am walking up to my brother's to do a shift up there. So the shifts up at my brother's are like overnight shifts, so I'm going to be staying there tonight. So the next time I will see you is tomorrow morning, the day of the date. So I'm just going to run through what I'm going to do tonight while I am at my brother's. So this doesn't look like the most aesthetically pleasing thing. So this is the Up Circle face scrub. The reason it's in 2 freezer bags is just because I don't understand, no matter how tight you put on the lid, somehow it manages to leak. I don't like this product because it is super messy, but the One Pro of this product it really, really works. It is so good at exfoliating. My skin feels so soft afterwards. So I'm going to be using that because in preparation for these. So this is the Tan Lux The Face Illuminating Self Tan Drops. So I'm a little bit nervous about this spot up here, how it is going to like adhere to that, and I hope it doesn't like kind of gather at the dry skin, but the rest of my face I think is going to look really, really nice. So hopefully by tomorrow my face will be kind of matching the rest of my tan when it develops. So these are the 2 things I'm going to be doing tonight that are out of the ordinary, like not my normal skincare routine. But yeah, I really have to go because I'm walking up, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so I'm back from my brother's. It's the day of the date. I'm looking a little bit more alive. I have a little bit more colour in my face and my body. Normally like I wouldn't be pulling out all the stops like this for just any old date, but this is like my first date in like a year that's not been like a walk. If you have managed to like keep a spark alive, like just any chemistry whatsoever during a walk, I commend you. The first thing I'm going to do this morning, I am going to dermaplane my face. So I have a dermaplaning razor here. The reason I do this is because it just means my makeup applies so much more seamlessly. And obviously when I'm seeing somebody, when I'm actually like seeing somebody in real life, like I kind of want my makeup to be flawless. On camera, you can't really tell at all, but in real life, I mean, as a guy, he's probably not even going to notice, but I will. If you're wondering where I got these dermaplaners from, I think there were 20 in a pack and they are biodegradable. I think I got them on Beauty Bay. Okay, so this is a slightly more familiar angle for my videos. So as you can see, I did my hair. My camera actually cut me off when I was talking about my nails, so I redid my nails. I don't really like this pink colour, but it's pretty much the only nail varnish I have. So yeah, I repainted my nails. I also repainted my toenails. Not that I'm planning on getting my toes out, but I mean, I don't know, I mean, anything could happen. Like, what if I fall in a pond and I have to take my shoes and socks off? Who knows? I've got to be prepared for these things. I'm just going to try my very best to keep it out the way without ruining it. First things first, I'm going to prime using my Raw Inventions. This is by the Beauty Kitchen Mineral Shield Daily Primer. So this is SPF 30. Only thing about this, it makes you look like Casper the Ghost, and the scrunchies just completely come out. This is going to be an absolute shambles. Okay, so now that is on, I'm going to be using the Ordinary Serum Foundation, and I'm going to mix in the tiniest bit of the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, just to make me a little bit glowy, but I know a lot of this can make you look very metallic. Is this gonna be too light for me? Now that I'm a bit tanned. It's okay because I think my face is a little bit too dark anyway, so I'm just gonna make sure that it's all nice and blended with my beauty blender. I've started doing my makeup like 2 hours early because I know for a fact that there is a fat chance I'm just gonna hate my makeup and end up taking it all off and starting again. Okay, so that's given me an okay amount of coverage, but I'm still looking nice and glowy. Just gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, just right where I need it. I saw this technique, I can't remember who I saw it from, but they put their concealer on their blemishes and then they just left it for a little while to go a little bit tacky so that when they blend it out they don't, like, the concealer just doesn't disperse everywhere. So I'm just gonna leave that to set for a little bit and I'm just gonna blend out my under eye concealer. I can never remember her actual name, I can only remember her by her Instagram handle, and it's Lola Liner. Okay, so now for brows, I've just spritzed this is my WB Co Soap brows. I'm not gonna go crazy with the brows today, I'm just gonna make them look quite nice and natural rather than super crazy fluffy. And then I just have here my HD Brows Brow Define Pencil. Just gonna take it, there's a couple of spots, but I'm not gonna do much with this. Alright, so my camera decided to die on me, so I'm now on my phone, so apologies for the switching quality, but that concealer trick really worked. Like, just kind of leaving it to set a little bit just gives you so much more coverage. And I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that is just to kind of lock my base in place so that when I kind of layer on top, it's not gonna budge, and I'm gonna keep my coverage. I'm just gonna powder my under eyes using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in 005. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my fancy bronzer. I'm gonna use my Jouer Sunkissed Sunset Medium to Deep Duo on a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna get the lighter shade. The last thing I want to be today is cakey, so I'm gonna just kind of keep this super light and glowy. Like I'm tickling my face right now because I don't want to apply too much product. I'm just gonna take it on my nose. That sun-kissed look. Not my whole forehead, but just kind of the outer corners of my forehead. Define the jawline and then blend that out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it there for my base makeup actually, because I don't, like I said, we're going for a picnic, so it's not really like a full glam kind of situation, I don't think. So I think I'm going to leave that there. For my eyes, I'm literally just gonna apply mascara. So I have the Benefit They're Real mascara, and I'm just gonna apply loads and loads and loads of coats of this, pretty much. It's a little bit old this now, so it's going a little bit kind of dry and tacky, but I think that just makes for a better mascara in my opinion. I don't like them when they're too thin. And then in my best attempt to reduce transfer, I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Little Black Primer. So I've actually found that if you apply this after mascara, it just kind of, it almost acts as a setting, like a mascara setter kind of thing. And then I also found what helps is just making sure your eyelids are super set with powder. And just to finish off, I'm just going to put on a little bit of lip liner. So this is the Beauty Bay lip liner in the shade Toast. Just going to overline my top lip and my bottom lip, just in the middle. And then I'm just practically going to blend that into the rest of my lips. And then I'm just going to apply some lip balm, just to give a nice pretty kind of pinky nude. Actually, I'm not sure if I like the pink at all. I don't like the pink, that's gotta go. Okay, so we're going for Whip. Whip is the one. Slightly closer to my actual lip colour. I'm not gonna go for a lip balm either because I feel like that was a step too far. Just gonna go in again with my setting spray. Why do I mess? Why do I mess? Why do I do it? Why do I do this to myself? So I've ruined my makeup. It was perfectly fine before I did that. And now we have to try and fix it. This always happens when the stakes are high. Okay, so this might sound crazy, but I actually think I prefer how my natural skin looks to the full coverage. Well, not full coverage, but to the side with all the makeup on. So I'm gonna be a little bit, go rogue a little bit, and I'm just gonna wipe off half my makeup. Why do I like that more? Why do I actually like my natural skin more than the makeup? I'm confused. Instead, I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer just to get rid of those dark marks. The dark circles, sorry, not dark marks. Okay, so I have no idea what just happened, but I like it. I feel like that just looks way more natural, but I've still got the coverage where I need it. Okay, I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead because I actually like the way my makeup looks right now. So the dry shampoo I've been using is the Kite Nest Organic Dry Shampoo. This is for light hair. The way I've found, because this is literally the messiest thing to use ever. I can't get into it. I found that the best way to use it is with like a kabuki brush or something of sorts. Tip a little bit in the lid. Even if you are super careful with this, like, you are going to get it everywhere, like that is inevitable. I am just going to pop in my kind of daily gold hoops. Nothing too extravagant, because like I keep saying, picnic. Nothing that needs like a 24-hour transformation or anything. So, outfit time. I have a couple of outfits that I'm going to show you. Not sure which to go for yet. How much time do I have? Oh, I've got ages. I've got like an hour and a quarter. Okay, so you guys are just gonna have to pretend that you haven't seen like my bedroom, because I've been trying to avoid showing you guys before my bedroom transformation, but it's just taking forever and I can't be bothered to hide it from you anymore. So just pretend you haven't seen it when I post my bedroom transformation, but yes. Anyway, so this is outfit number one. I don't like it, I don't think. I think I like the brown and the blue. I feel very, I don't know, like 90s detective, or I don't know, off-duty policewoman. I'm not sure, but I don't like it, so we're gonna try something new. Okay, so I had a small meltdown. I hated the other outfit that I had planned, so I tried on about a million other outfits, and this is what I've come up with. I've tried on a bunch of other jackets. This is the one I like the best, but it's also the thinnest. And it's not like super warm today. I'm in a bit of a predicament. I will get back to you rather shortly because otherwise I'm gonna be late, but yeah. Okay, so this is the outfit. So I've kept these flares on. Obviously put my high top Converse on. I went for a racer and popped a bralette underneath because it is just a tad see-through. And then I went for my big duvet coat. So the reason I did love the Zara bodysuit, but I think I wanted my warmest jacket on, and the red and the green, I just looked like Christmas had thrown up on me. So this is what we're going for. I think it's a little bit flirty, a little bit playful. Am I right? Am I wrong? Do I look good? I don't know, I'm nervous. Okay, right, I have to hurry up and pack a bag. I'm just gonna take like a canvas bag because I've got like a picnic blanket to pop in there and snacks and stuff. So I am gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna love you and leave you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up down below, and yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon for another video.